We made it to the middle of the week, but there's no time to take a breath. Let's get into Wednesday's AI News. ChatGPT can now generate interactive visuals when explaining maths and science concepts, covering over 70 topics including linear equations, Ohm's law, kinetic energy, and much more. Users get sliders to adjust variables and watch graphs update in real time. The feature is free for all ChatGPT users, paid or not. The target audience is high school and university students, as 140 million people already use ChatGPT for maths and science help every week. 4 years ago, AI models failed basic arithmetic. Now they're building interactive physics simulations. The capability gains that are now available even to free users are astounding, and OpenAI says this is just the beginning. Anthropic has updated its Claude add-ins for Microsoft Excel and PowerPoint, so they share conversation context when both are open. That means you can pull data from a spreadsheet and reference it whilst editing a slide deck, without starting a fresh conversation or repeating yourself each time you switch. The practical loop this enables is clear. Build a table from your data, pass it to a presentation, refine the narrative, all within one coherent thread. Context switching between documents has been one of the consistent friction points for AI in office workflows. This is a great start at solving that issue. Microsoft's new health usage report covers more than 500,000 Copilot conversations. People are using it to understand symptoms, interpret test results, and manage health on behalf of others. 1 in 7 health queries is asked on someone else's behalf. Mobile use skews toward active symptoms, desktop toward research and clinical work. The pattern looks less like a search engine and more like a first consultation. In parallel, a dedicated Copilot Health tab is reportedly in development, with connectors for Fitbit, Garmin, Aura, and Apple Health. That would shift Copilot from just answering health questions to having persistent access to your personal health data. But if the outputs are life-saving, maybe it's data worth giving up. Base44 is launching Superagents, a platform for building and running AI agents without the usual infrastructure overhead. The pitch is that everything is handled for you: security, hosting, maintenance, and integrations, so you can focus on what the agent actually does rather than how to keep it running. So there's no juggling API keys across services, no config files to maintain, and connections to tools like Slack, WhatsApp, and Telegram are one click. Agents run on schedules, respond to triggers, and retain context between sessions. Most people who want to build an AI agent get stuck before they write a line of logic. Base44 has simplified the entire